Welcome back to Britology. Imagine a vehicle so luxurious, so advanced, and so breathtaking that it feels less like a motorhome and more like a moving five-star palace. Today, we are exploring one of the most incredible creations ever built on wheels. The ultimate palace on wheels. This extraordinary motorhome redefines luxury travel and proves that comfort, technology, and elegance can exist anywhere you go. At first glance, this massive vehicle looks like something from a futuristic movie. Its sleek exterior design, premium materials, and commanding presence instantly separate it from ordinary RVs. Stretching across an impressive length, the motorhome is engineered to provide the experience of a luxury mansion while maintaining the freedom of the open road. Every inch of its design has been carefully crafted to combine style, performance, and comfort. As the vehicle arrives at a destination, one of its most impressive features begins to reveal itself. Expandable slide-out sections transform the interior space, dramatically increasing the living area. What appears to be a large motorhome, from the outside suddenly becomes a spacious luxury residence. The transformation is remarkable and creates an environment that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Stepping inside, visitors are immediately welcomed by an atmosphere of sophistication and elegance. Premium marble finishes, handcrafted woodwork, designer furniture, and ambient lighting create a luxurious setting, unlike anything found in traditional recreational vehicles. The attention to detail is extraordinary. Every surface, texture, and decorative element has been selected to deliver an experience of absolute refinement. The main living area serves as the heart of the palace on wheels. Plush sofas provide exceptional comfort, while large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior. Whether parked beside a mountain range, overlooking a beach, or resting in a desert landscape, the surrounding scenery becomes part of the experience. The living room is designed not only for relaxation but also for entertainment. Large, ultra-high-definition televisions, premium sound systems, and smart controls allow passengers to enjoy a world-class entertainment experience wherever they travel. Adjacent to the living area is a stunning gourmet kitchen that rivals those found in luxury homes. Equipped with professional-grade appliances, custom cabinetry, and elegant countertops, the kitchen provides everything needed to prepare sophisticated meals. Large refrigerators, induction cooktops, ovens, and wine storage solutions ensure that no comfort is sacrificed during travel. Whether preparing a simple breakfast or hosting an exclusive dinner gathering, the kitchen offers both functionality and style. The dining area continues the theme of luxury. Beautiful seating arrangements, elegant tables, and carefully designed lighting create the perfect setting for memorable meals. Imagine enjoying dinner while watching the sunset through expansive windows as the landscape stretches endlessly in every direction. It is a dining experience unlike any other. Moving deeper into the motorhome reveals one of its most impressive spaces, the master bedroom. Designed as a private sanctuary, this room offers the comfort and elegance of a luxury hotel suite. A king-size bed with premium bedding serves as the centerpiece, while custom storage solutions maximize space without compromising style. Soft lighting, designer finishes, and large windows create a peaceful environment perfect for relaxation after a day of travel. The attached bathroom is equally remarkable. Marble surfaces, spacious showers, premium fixtures, and luxury amenities transform daily routines into spa-like experiences. Heated flooring, elegant mirrors, and advanced climate controls further enhance comfort. It is difficult to believe that such a sophisticated bathroom exists inside a vehicle capable of traveling across entire continents. Many of these elite motorhomes also include additional guest bedrooms, allowing family members or friends to travel in complete comfort. Each room is designed with the same commitment to luxury, ensuring that every passenger enjoys a premium experience. Privacy, comfort, and convenience are prioritized throughout the entire vehicle. Technology plays a major role in the ultimate palace on wheels. Advanced smart home systems allow passengers to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, security, and other functions with the touch of a button. Integrated automation systems create a seamless living experience that feels modern and intuitive. Owners can manage nearly every aspect of the vehicle through touchscreen, panels, or mobile devices. Safety and performance are equally impressive. Powerful engines provide the capability to move this massive luxury residence with confidence and ease. Advanced suspension systems deliver smooth rides even on long journeys. While state-of-the-art, driver assistance. Technologies enhance safety on the road. Cameras, sensors, navigation systems, and intelligent monitoring solutions help ensure that every trip remains comfortable and secure. One of the most extraordinary features of these luxury motorhomes is their outdoor entertainment capability. Many include retractable awnings, outdoor kitchens, premium seating areas, and exterior television systems. With the push of a button, the area outside the vehicle transforms into a private luxury lounge. Whether hosting guests, enjoying a family gathering, or simply relaxing under the stars, the outdoor space becomes an extension of the lavish interior. Storage is another area where these vehicles excel. Massive compartments can accommodate luxury luggage, sporting equipment, personal vehicles, and even specialized recreational gear. Despite offering the comfort of a luxury mansion, the motorhome remains practical enough for extended adventures and long-term travel. For wealthy travelers, celebrities, entrepreneurs, and luxury enthusiasts, the appeal of the ultimate palace on wheels is obvious. It offers a unique combination of freedom and luxury that traditional homes, hotels, and private jets cannot fully match. Owners can wake up beside an ocean, spend the afternoon in the mountains, and enjoy dinner in a completely different destination, all without sacrificing comfort or convenience. The engineering behind these incredible machines is equally fascinating. Teams of designers, architects, craftsmen, and engineers spend thousands of hours perfecting every detail, from structural integrity and aerodynamics to interior, aesthetics, and technological integration. Every component is designed to meet the highest standards of excellence. The result is more than just a vehicle. It is a statement of innovation, luxury, and possibility. It represents the idea that home can be wherever you choose it to be. It demonstrates how modern engineering can transform travel into an experience that is as enjoyable as the destination itself. As luxury transportation continues to evolve, creations like the ultimate palace on wheels push the boundaries of what is possible. They challenge traditional concepts of travel and redefine expectations for comfort, mobility, and design. For those fortunate enough to experience one, it is not simply a journey. It is a lifestyle unlike any other. Thank you for joining us on this incredible tour of the ultimate palace on wheels. If you enjoyed discovering one of the world's most luxurious motorhomes, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Britology, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exploration into the world of extraordinary luxury, innovation, and engineering. We'll see you in the next video.